here is a trail. No?
Yeah, over here there's trails. And then the park where we went swimming.
Прикольное дело. Нет, прикольно. Смотри, что не ела. Смотри. Какой цветочек. Ручки желтые будут.
Pretty flower you got there, Lorelai.
Они ядовитые вроде.
Which one it is? Lorelai. Oh, look at the big white ones. Oh, look at the big white ones.
Пеликаны там тоже. Пойдем дальше. Там все enjoy it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's native to the United States.
This guy is?
The only child. También. А я сама не поняла, что за скам. Ну, потом объясню. Ну, пойдем дальше.
Look, look, right?
Пойдем дальше.
What's up her tail?
Отлично.
You don't have a balance? Yeah, where they usually hang out. Yeah? Look at me.
Oh, you can balance on one foot. How about you, Rosie? Can you do one foot? Oh,
She's left.
wow.
Wyatt,
You guys
too.
look like flamingos.
Right. You see?
I can do No.
Wow, Wyatt. Look at Wyatt's balancing on one foot. You too.
I can balance it on
Susanna.
one foot.
Hey, Susanna. Hey.
Куда пошел?
Look at how big, Lorelai. Look at the kitties.
Oh, wow. Whoa, Susanna. Here comes the train. Wait, the train's coming.
Watch out! Don't get run over.
That's their job.
There's so many meerkats. There's 4 meerkats.
That's right.
3 meerkats. No, 2 meerkats.
Are they looking? Ну, пойдем дальше.
You can see 3 right now.
All over the
Look at the giraffe.
Жирафка. Смотри, какие большие. Жирафы. Жирафы.
That is true. That is true. They had also.
What do you think about the giraffes, huh? How big they are.
Yesterday I just signed a petition to make giraffes protected species
Ah.
on a bus. There is some women just killed one giraffe for fun.
I read about that. Oh, that's good.
Жираф. Мишка, твоя игрушка.
Okay, guys, just some simple rules before we get started. Today we're going to be Chifu because he's the one who came up here. We don't get to choose. It's whoever wants to come up here and wants to enjoy their snack. For Chifu, since he is a lot bigger and his neck is a lot larger, we're just going to have you guys stand behind the yellow line. Remember not to touch them because they are wild animals. Try not to wave at Chifu, and also please leave your strollers outside because he hates strollers. Yeah, he's our only male here at the Sacramento Zoo, and it's going to be $5 per feeder, not for anyone just going to hold somebody. It's just for the feeder, you guys compliment, but just make sure you stay behind the yellow line and not touch. All you gotta do is hold it out, just take it from just like that. Ready? It's your first piece. Here's your guys' second piece. They eat all day, every day. They don't restrict them. They literally will eat like anything. Yeah. It's like Everything do we have for you guys? Just one. Okay, looking for $4.
Scary, huh?
Excuse me. I'll have you guys exit from this side.
Think about the zebra.
Видишь, что такое? Ну да, приятно мало. Ты хочешь все покушать? Да? Ты лапкой чешется.
What?
Sleep up there.
Oh, I can't really tell. It just looks like a bunch of red fur.
Чубака.
Шимпанзе.
They're kind of like us, huh? A little bit. Take a look.
Redwood.
В зоопарке подобрали розовые. Правда, нет фламинго. Ну, давайте, кто это? Птички большие. Какие звуки интересные. Глаза такие маленькие. Клевые. Vaata neid, kes seisavad ühe jala peal.
Kokkuhoidlikud. Mul läks 2. Kui peenikesed need jalad ikka on.
Straight up, like it's so proud. I wonder if there's a leader to the flock. Distracted by it.
Noh, mis tunded sind valdavad?
Neutraalsed. Vaata, siin on teine. Смотрят, как трудно понять, если они еще так замрут, не двигаются. Lorelai. Пойдем обратно. Вон что стоит.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rida, 6 rida. See tuleb laiali.